Welcome to the Sekonic L478DR LITEMASTER Pro Quick Start video series. And the videos that follow will help you set up your meter, guide you through the basics of light metering, and even show you a few advanced techniques. Let's get started. In this first video, we'll illustrate how to get your L478DR up and running and give you a brief overview of its basic functions. First, let's install the batteries. Simply release the battery cover latch and lift the battery cover off. The L478DR takes two AAA batteries. Power the meter on by pressing and holding the power button. The startup menu screen appears first. The unit is now ready to operate, but before we start metering, let's take a quick tour of the different metering functions the L478DR has to offer. Let's first select your desired metering mode by touching the measuring mode icon. This brings you to the measuring mode selection screen. The Sekonic L478DR has 12 special metering modes, all displayed here: Ambient T, F and T plus F, HD Cine and Cine, Illuminance, Luminance, Flash Cordless, Cordless Multiple Flash, Cord PC Multiple Flash, Radio Triggering, and Radio Triggering Multiple Flash. This is the standard default setting, but you can also unselect those modes that you don't use often from the Custom Settings menu. Let's start with Ambient Mode. Here you'll notice several sun icons which represent ambient metering modes. The measuring screen displays exposure settings in shutter speeds, apertures, and ISO, just like your camera. The T icon stands for time, shutter speed priority. The F is for f-stop, aperture priority. The up and down arrows let you scroll to make exposure settings either in shutter speed or aperture settings depending on the measuring mode you select. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see the ISO setting. This can be adjusted by scrolling the up and down ISO arrows until the desired setting is achieved. Press the measuring button to take a measurement. Measured values are displayed in this area. Even after taking a measurement, any changes to the shutter speed or ISO settings will automatically change the measuring value in f-stops. What about flash measurements? Let's go back to the measuring mode selection screen. Here you'll notice several lightning bolt icons, which represent flash metering modes. You can choose cordless, PC cords, or radio triggering mode. If you select basic cord flash mode, you'll need to attach a PC cord to the L758DR's synchro terminal. If you select cordless flash mode, simply press the measuring button and the L478DR will wait for up to 90 seconds for you to trigger the flash manually. Selecting the radio triggering mode offers wireless triggering and measuring of one or more flash units connected to a Pocket Wizard radio. Choosing which channels or zones to trigger can all be selected in the radio channel and zone setting screen. You can also set your meter to read for either incident, extended, or retracted mode, in addition to using a 5-degree spot attachment. The light metering head also swivels to position the Lumisphere and the color touchscreen for better viewing. As new enhancements, features, and functions become available, it's important to keep your L478DR updated. Just connect your L478DR to your internet-ready computer, Mac or PC, with a standard mini USB cable, and the Sekonic data transfer software will guide you through the simple steps of updating your meter. In the following 478DR Quick Start videos, we'll concentrate on meter functions, when to use them, and how to get better exposures. The L478DR LITEMASTER Pro is the ultimate tool for still photographers as well as cine videographers.